Hi, this is Raghavendra, your English teacher. Today the topic for 9th class from second unit sports. It is Michael Stone lesson. Michael Stone, who was as a child very fond of his mother, and he was very fond of flying in the air because of his mother used to tell him very number of stories in the childhood. His mother read him number of stories about flying in the air. So he thought himself that he was flying in the air every time. He used to run along with the wheat fields nearby his house and with the locomotive. Along with the railway track, locomotive is that train engine. Along with the train engine, he used to run. Okay, and his father, Baptistone, always used to tell him about his motto like, if you want something, work for it. We never get anything without hard work. So his father Baptistone always used to encourage him that if you want something, work for it. So that if he did some hard work, he will achieve something. If he never makes it hard, he never achieves something. So hard work makes you to lead a life of very good success. Then from there onwards, he had the dream of flying in the air. He started running. He used to make some exercises like weightlifting, running and everything. So pole vaulting finally became as his dream. He wanted to become the number one in pole vault jumping. So at the age of just 17 years, under the juniors, he won the National Junior Olympics and set a national record. Just as a junior, he won the National Olympics and set a national record. Then, finally, at the Olympics, he was there. When he was there, he was very nervous at the final race. He had another competitor who is going to attempt the race. When the audience gave some sound, he identified that the other competitor made some mistakes. So it is his time to get the achievement which is his dream from childhood onwards. Then he remembered his mother. Now he was nervous, he was getting sweat on his head, over the back. Finally, it never happened to him earlier because he always very confident about his trials, about his achievement, about his success. But this time, when he wanted to win the International Olympics game, he was very nervous about his winning of this jump. But at that time, he remembered his mother. His mother used to tell him when he was nervous to take a deep breath. So he took deep breath for 3 or 4 times and now he started running on the runway. Before starting off his running, some distant robins, it's a bird, gave some sound. He identified the robin sound like he start. It's like a bell. He identified the robin sound, shout of the bird. He took as a symbol of the starting of the race. Then he started running on the runway. Finally, he achieved his target of pole vaulting and set a new international record in pole vaulting. The final twist of the lesson is he was very blind. Here the writer says us, if the people have any disability, they are mentally very strong. We need to understand something about from the lesson. That is, physically disabled people are mentally very strong. We are very perfect with our body and we cannot do something. That is our disability mentally. So if you are strong mentally that we can achieve something, the writer wants to say that is the blind could jump over there and set a international record, and with a perfect body, people, when they are mentally strong, they can achieve also something what they wish to do in the life. Okay, thank you.